want to eat an apple, red or green juicy apple. I want to eat an apple, eat it raw, make a pie. I want to eat a banana, long yellow sweet banana. I want to eat a banana, eat it raw, bake a cake. I want to eat some grapes, green, purple, yummy grapes. I want to eat some grapes, eat these raw or make some jam. I want to eat an orange, round, juicy, its color is orange. I want to eat an orange, eat it raw or make some juice. I want to eat a watermelon, big, round, juicy watermelon. I want to eat a watermelon, big, raw, make a salad. I want to eat some mangoes, green, yellow, sour, sweet mangoes. I want to eat some mangoes, eat it raw, make a pickle. I want to eat some strawberries, red, yummy, heart-shaped strawberries. I want to eat some strawberries, eat it raw with ice cream. I want to eat a pineapple, yellow, sweet, juicy pineapple. I want to eat a pineapple, eat it raw, make a bread. I want to eat some cherries, small, round, sweet cherries. I want to eat some cherries, eat these raw or decorate a cake.
For such fun and educational video, please like, share and subscribe. Bubbly Bow. See you again. Bye-bye.